Welcome to Yuki's Kitchen. Today, I will make pumpkin soup using the pumpkin I harvested from my garden. Let's get started. First, cut the pumpkin in half and remove the skin and seeds. Pumpkins are rich in nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, folate, and dietary fiber. These nutrients can support vision, immune function, heart health, cell growth and repair, and improve digestion. Put the pumpkin in a pot and add enough water to cover it. Cook until the pumpkin becomes tender. Remove any scum that rises to the surface. Blend the pumpkin until smooth using a blender. Add a cube of Ajinomoto Consommé. Ajinomoto Consommé is a Western-style soup base, packed with the rich flavor of slowly simmered meat and aromatic vegetables. By simply cooking it with your preferred meat and vegetables, you can enhance the taste of regular soups or stews. Add 200 milliliters of milk. Milk from Tamaki Farm is a rich and delicious milk, obtained from cows that have been fed with effective microorganisms, blended water and feed. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Pour the soup into bowls. Sprinkle parsley and croutons on top of the soup to garnish. And there you have it, your pumpkin soup is ready to be enjoyed. If you enjoy this video, just hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.